This is the top 5 things to do in Durban. Number 1, head to the beach. Durban is home to several great beaches. Great for soaking up some sun, doing some surfing, or just taking a stroll along the 6-kilometer long Golden Mile walkway. Number 2, check out the Mabhida Stadium that was built for the 2010 FIFA World Cup. Take an elevator to the top of the stadium where you can get amazing views of Durban. For those more adventurous, you can opt to swing across the stadium, which is said to be the world's largest swing. I can't say that I didn't have second thoughts, but it'll definitely get your heart pumping. Number 3, almost an hour outside the city, you can head to the region known as the Thousand Hills. On a clear day, it is said you can count all 1,000 hills. If you have some time, check out Zulu Safari Park to go on a game drive, see a traditional Zulu dance, and an extensive reptile park. Number 4, try the city's most popular dish, bunny chow. Created over 100 years ago by Indian migrant workers as a way to take their meal with them to work. It is a quarter loaf of bread with the inside cut out and filled with an assortment of curries. Just a little information for you, even if you order a mild one, it is still going to come out a little spicy, so make sure to have some extra napkins around. Number 5, UShaka Marine World. If you are coming with your family, a nice day at UShaka Marine World is sure to have something to please everyone in the group. It is Africa's largest aquarium, a water park, and much more. For more information, please go to the official Durban Tourism website.